Yes, YouTube. Good afternoon, good evening, and welcome back again. As we speak, BTC is pumping, and actually, I see it as a liquidity sweep for shorts to eventually come down before New York session. In 2 hours, we're entering New York session, so I'm expecting a liquidity sweep to the downside to liquidate late longs, and that's actually where we want to jump in, right? I shared this setup for today in the trading group, in the Discord group, Crypto Gainers. If you want to join the Crypto Gainers, go to today's video's description, click the description, and if you check here in the list, you can see join our free Discord community. Click the link, you will get redirected to the cryptoharrisons.com website. And what you have to do is you go to free ebook and you fill in your name, your email address, click join community. You will receive a link to the Discord in your email and a free download link to get the ebook, so you will be prepared before you entering the group, right? So guys, with that said, let's go to the chart. As you guys can see now, BTC is pumping. We came for buy side liquidity, as I showed you guys in my previous video yesterday, and what you can see is that we're literally taking out sell side of buy side liquidity in this case to eventually come down, right? You can see that the 50-minute becomes bearish here. So what I'm expecting, and also what I shared in the trading group, is BTC to come back to the 618 today during New York session, during the market open, to come for sell side liquidity to eventually go back up, right? The thing is, now we have here this buy side liquidity pool above this wick. So I'm expecting BTC to take out this high. And from there on, we have to see what's happening, right? But for now, you have a nice trade if it plays out, right? 4%, let's say 3.5%. So that's a 700% on 200x, with proper risk management, of course. Only put in what you can afford to lose. Max 5% of your total account on cross. So this is a little bit a quick update for BTC for today, guys. I'm expecting BTC to come down during New York session to take out sell side liquidity to eventually catch the ride up to buy side liquidity above this this swing high, right? This wick. So smash up the like button, subscribe to my channel, guys, and let me know in the comments what you think about my videos. If you have any suggestions, any request or so on certain tokens or certain coins, let me know. I will do TA in the next video for you guys. So guys, with that said, a quick update on BTC. Join the Crypto Gainers, like this video, subscribe to my channel, and with that said, guys, I thank you all for watching. Stay safe, make profits, and God bless you all. See you in my next video.